You want to make fried chicken?
I'm so excited.
What the heck is that? Oh, can you cringe? Broccoli candy.
What's poppin', y'all? Today I have pita bread, aka Peter Shady Bread.
We have granny bread in the house.
Okay, so Peter is feeling the grandma vibes today. We have Mr. Berry Thick
In the house.
Name. We just named him like 5 minutes ago.
Very thick. Let's take this off.
This is a miniature or making small food / miniature mukbang. We have a lot of these, kind of like popping cooking stuff, but we got a lot of them. And today we're basically eating all of these. Like, we're gonna see what they taste like. We're gonna make them. Some of them we prepped off camera because it is a lot of them, and each one actually takes forever. So we spent
like
a few hours.
Around 10 minutes or more.
More, yeah, like 20 minutes. I feel like they take each one.
And then all the instructions aren't even in English.
The instructions are in another language. There was only like 2 of them that actually had English instructions, but the rest didn't. So we were literally just following the pictures.
Yeah.
But we're gonna make some on camera for you guys. Ooh, I want to make.
Let's make the ramen.
The ramen. Ooh, this one.
Oh, definitely the sushi.
The sushi for Peter. Okay, look at this ramen. I wonder if it's gonna taste like actual noodles because I've done this before, like a long time ago, a few years ago. I did the cheeseburger one.
Oh.
And I did the donuts one, and they're legit. They taste real. When I was making the cheeseburger one, dude, like I could smell the beef and everything. So I got the ramen one, and Peter got
the sushi.
Oh, well, I think, oh my god, you have noodles, you have fried chicken made out of freaking powder because they're all like powders basically.
I wonder how this is gonna turn out.
Let's just get started. You literally, the only ingredient you need for these is water. But you'll be surprised at how realistic some of these are, and they taste like the real thing. Oh my gosh, did I just ruin the possible instructions? Also, some of them, thank god this one's not like this, but for some of them, they'll have like little cutting lines, like where you have to cut, because sometimes the tray is part of this.
Oh yeah,
But
and you have to like cut off the whole packaging. Oh my god,
it
it's
has
so
like
cute.
little
It has like little designs.
Because it's supposed to be the bowl. So we're gonna cut all these up.
Opening her up. Oh,
see, okay, like this one, it looks like it's gonna be, I don't know, Poppin' Cookin'. This is actually the brand that I've tried before. Okay, we have our scissors. We're gonna go ahead and rip this up. We'll have a toothpick.
Wait, I don't know which one to rip off. I need to follow the instructions key by key.
Don't forget to go check out Peter's channel. We've done a few together.
We've done a couple of videos, a couple of iconic videos. Hashtag Team Peter. So right now I'm making broccoli, y'all. Thank goodness my steps are all in English.
I'm like super lost right now, but I'm just following the pictures. But I feel like I can make this work.
Ooh, this broccoli's thickening up.
We're excited for Galentine's Day.
Galentine's Day!
Because you know you ain't got a man. I was kidding.
You're right.
But who are you spending Valentine's Day, Peter, with?
Myself and Netflix. And a bucket of ice cream.
I'm actually going to be with Raul in New York on Valentine's Day. Because, well, it's for work, actually. It's like a toy fair.
Aww.
Mine says to roll this into 2 balls.
I'm making the vegetables right now.
Oh my god, you're making broccoli?
Yeah.
I have to follow the pictures on mine because I don't understand this at all. And even the pictures can be a little bit confusing, so I'm gonna try it out.
The pictures are saving your life, definitely.
Yeah, if I didn't have pictures, like, I mean, I wouldn't be able to do it.
Next, I'm gonna make the squid, aka the sausage. Ugh, squid? Squid as a candy sounds really gross.
Oh, squid.
Could you imagine what flavored candy squid tastes like?
I'm screaming.
Starburst? It's shaking. I'm so sorry, that noise is probably annoying. Next, I'm gonna be making the rice. Ooh, I'm excited.
This is so hard.
What is it saying to do?
I don't know. I'm so confused.
Are you making dumplings? Well, my sticky rice is coming out iconic. I need it to make the panda and I guess the sushi.
Oh my gosh. Why is cooking so hard?
Hashtag takeout.
I don't know if I'm doing this right. I am so not doing this right.
I don't know if I did this right either. This is gonna be real easy.
See, I would ask you to help, but I don't even know what to ask for.
Ah! I got my rice bowl and my sushi.
Is that rice?
Yeah, look at that.
It feels like cloud slime.
I know, iconic.
Wait, did I add too much? Because I'm gonna cry if I did.
I added too much black, sis. Oh, I got the black in my egg
really
roll.
think I added I thought it was enough. It didn't have oh, the lines all the way down here.
Karina, you added way too much
Oh my
water.
god, I didn't. Oh my gosh. I'm so angry.
It's okay.
I really, really wanted to make these noodles. And when we were making them earlier, I was doing them right. Peter was messing them up. And now I messed mine up on camera.
That's embarrassing. That sucks.
I'm so pressed.
Oh my gosh. I'm such a nut. Look, I ripped it. I ripped my plate, y'all.
Peter, we are so dumb. Wait, what if you actually tape it together? Still cut it out. You should still cut it out.
So, Karina, we're gonna do the fun part. You wanna make fried chicken?
I'm so excited.
I'm so sad you ruined literally the best part. There's ramen in mine. Do you wanna take my noodles?
No, I think your noodles are made out of candy.
Oh, it's spaghetti.
Well, mine's the same thing. I could probably just throw it in there. They're mine now.
Maybe you should have dumped out the water, you dork.
We're gonna empty some noodles. We're gonna empty some water. Oh my gosh, what is going on? Please help me.
What the heck are you making?
It looks like mashed potatoes or like applesauce but thick.
I don't know, but like, I really thought mine was gonna mess up and fail and just really not become a success, you know? Like, oh my gosh, I just totally killed my poor squid. Oh, she wasn't ready yet. She still had powder. So we're gonna do my egg roll now. Let's roll it up. Oh, it's so sticky. Oh, that's the middle of the egg? What the heck is that?
Okay, they kind of look like noodles, Peter. Ew, I have noodle sauce on me.
Oh my gosh, is there an all-you-can-eat
Noodle sauce?
sushi? What are you doing, bruh?
Oh my god, I did this wrong.
Your broth looks disgusting. Looks like
look-
soda. Don't
it does
touch
smell like soda. It smells exactly like soda.
this girl.
Oh.
Ooh, she's dipping in salt. Saucy.
Hold on, let me put my egg. Look how cute this is.
And you guys, this is my
Sushi
plate.
platter?
This is my sushi platter. My fried chicken, rice balls, a broccoli, a squid,
Squidward.
and then my little egg roll with chia seeds inside.
We have all the food in front of us now. It's a little mukbang.
Mini mukbang.
We made tiny food. I don't know what the heck I'm naming this. We have some crepes right here. So the little crepes, and look at this wrapping on one of them. Of course, they just had it for one.
We love a good wrap.
But we should try it. They're a little bit.
Cheers. They're a little bit rough. It really just tastes like a real crepe.
Wow, mine tastes like bananas, dude. Yours tastes like bananas. What does yours taste like?
Bubblegum.
That's so weird. This is what I meant by some of them taste like the actual thing. Okay, we have these little ice creams. I guess we're doing dessert first. I don't know. We'll get to the savory right now. Black. Cheers.
Okay, I think the real thing it's gonna taste like is like the waffle cone.
Didn't taste
It doesn't taste like anything.
It tastes like frosting. Let's try the actual waffle cone. Surprise, it tastes like waffle cone.
I really don't like the waffle.
These were just like little clays. Not clays, but little taffy noodles and a house. Okay.
That's a bunch of flavors I don't want.
Oh my gosh, let's try something savory. Let's try the burger.
The burger and the Coca-Cola.
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. So,
Okay,
Why
you
is
do the
this
honors.
I don't know how I burnt this, but this is my burger.
In-N-Out is shaking. Wait, let me try it. I want to try the cheese. Nope.
Why does it taste like a cookie? I made this before and it tasted real.
This little mukbang is iconic.
Oh my god. It looks iconic, but it's not that good, dude. They looked way better in the picture. How are they, Peter?
They taste like cardboard. It broke your tooth?
No, I taste a potato.
Should I try the soda? Yeah, I definitely taste the
I
potato.
taste a potato, but they're just too crispy.
It doesn't taste like soda. It tastes
like the cheapest form of soda.
It tastes
in the
like
world.
cat pee.
Okay, next up we should try something sweet again. We should try the donuts. I've made these before and they're actually pretty good, but Peter made them. And when I saw that he had finished them, he forgot to put them in the microwave. And I was like, Peter, you're supposed to put it in the microwave so that it could actually fluff up like a donut. So they're probably gonna taste like dough. It tastes like raw cookie dough.
Mine definitely doesn't taste like raw cookie dough.
What does yours taste like?
Like dirt. I don't dislike it. It's like the texture I'm not a fan of.
Let's try some sushi.
This is the sushi platter, everyone.
Okay, let's try the bread. I mean
The rice.
Tastes like some kind of marshmallow.
This actually isn't that bad.
It's delicious.
Wait, I actually had this one for my channel, and it was gross.
This is so good.
Okay, let's taste the fried chicken. I wonder if it's gonna taste like real chicken.
Fried chicken. Here we go.
It's a gross texture. An egg
sushi?
roll. I'll do the broccoli.
Egg
Oh,
roll?
can you cringe broccoli candy?
What is it? Is it a squid? Nope. Last but definitely not least, we have the ramen, which I am the most excited about because I think it's gonna be good. When I was making the ramen, it kind of just smelled like it, but the sauce was like soda. Here, I'm gonna take a bite with the egg.
Really?
Dude, I thought it was bomb. Like, some of them were good.
The applesauce. Why does it taste like applesauce in your mouth?
Like, mixed with soda.
Yeah.
Applesauce mixed with soda? Is that what it is? Applesauce, the noodles? It looked like applesauce this whole time.
Is it applesauce? But it didn't taste like applesauce. It just felt like applesauce texture.
You know what's crazy? This is really cute for presentation.
Oh, yeah.
I want real food now.
Anyway, let's order some real chicken wings.
I really thought, Peter, that we were going to enjoy this and that we were going to eat and get a little bit full off of it.
Yeah, no, this was gross.
We didn't.
This was
I don't think I
disgusting.
swallowed anything from this.
Literally, the only thing I liked was the waffle cones
The waffle cones were
and
good.
the crepe. The
And the
crepes were
crepes.
good.
And the rice.
And
was
the
good.
rice balls, they taste like marshmallow.
I'm kind of disappointed.
A little sad.
Wow, that was. We took so long making all that to just eat it in like 2 seconds.
Hours to make this, and then boom, we eat it in like 10 seconds.
No. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Which one was your favorite? Like out of all
My
of them?
favorite was the crepes because they taste so.
Definitely the crepes. The crepes were definitely amazing.
Oh, the ramen was so good. I'm just kidding.
The mashed potatoes were iconic. All right, guys. We'll see you guys later.
See you later. Thanks for watching. Love you guys. Bye.